What's going on, my favorite traders? Hey, listen, I want to make an adjustment on the gold forecast that I gave in the Forex Weekly forecast, the video I just released yesterday. With gold, what I told you was had a break of structure to the downside, and after a break of structure, you want to see price come back and test that the order block before the break of structure, and it's testing that right now. And I said, yeah, we'll be looking for price to find exhaustion up here and then show signs of reversal and then come down, right? I want to make an adjustment on that because I want to recognize this momentum. All right, let's go to the 4-hour. And we can see this a little more clearly. First of all, the first thing you want to do when you come down to, when you start coming down in time frames, you kind of want to refine the order block. The order block is kind of wide here, and you can see price is up in there doing its thing. All right. If we refine the order block to a 4-hour order block, okay, as opposed to a daily order block. All right, if we refine it here, you can see that price found this, that came up in here and tested that 4-hour order block. So it validates this time frames order block. You understand? Good. Now, I want you to recognize something else. See this? These are short-term highs. All right. This is the structural lower high from the daily, right? And down at the bottom is that lower low. All right. But on the 4-hour, you judge it by its own structure within the framework of the higher time frames, right? You got to recognize the higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, right? Higher high, higher low. And we just broke this higher high. So what does that mean? Got a bunch of 1, 2 short-term highs. All right, short-term highs. All right, for me, this is a third short-term high. All right, within the bigger structure, the higher time frame structure, right? And after two short-term highs, you have to say to yourself, hey, there's more buyers here than sellers, period. All right, there is an indication that there may be a momentum shift. After 2 short-term highs, I start to look for those pullbacks. When you have a break of structure, I'm looking for price to come back and test those order blocks, right? So look at this. Price breaks that structure, comes back. Here's that order block. Test it right there. Bing. All right. Now we have another break of structure. What am I thinking? Price is probably going to come back. Look at that order block right there. Test it. And then go and test this order block for the second time. This is a third test of this level. Oops, what did I just do? I didn't mean to. Okay, good. This is a third test of this level. You can see that, right? This would be a third test. All right, as long as it doesn't break higher than than those highs, as long as it doesn't break higher, we are still maintaining bearish momentum on the daily time frame. On this time frame, we're going to be making a higher high. And afterwards, I'm looking for price to fall. Got it? But we want to see what price does here. This is the important part of what the message I'm bringing you. All right. What will price do? Will price show exhaustion to this impulse? Will it come down now, come down and test that order block here? Because that's going to be very important. It makes sense because price is already testing the larger daily order block, right? You see all this supply here, that's a lot of rejection. And I'm thinking price is going to feel the same kind of rejection. Will it reject from here, come down and test because it broke the short-term high here, and then come back up for another test? That's what we want to find out. That's what we want to see. If it drops from here and breaks through this time frame, through this order block, that works for me too. You know, that's something we want to watch. From here, you could take a short. You could take a short and use this 4-hour order block as your TP. Yeah, all right. And possibly your entry to go higher and test the 4-hour order block up here. All right. Look at the pattern. Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher, higher low, higher high. Then we're going to drop. Because I see the last time price was up here. Boom. I'm looking for that boom down here. We'll get to that when we get up here. I'm looking for those signs of reversals in this order block. So from here, we might be coming down and then up. Okay. I hope you benefited from this video. I want to thank you for your support. Make sure you drop a comment, a like, and subscribe if you want more updates like the one I'm giving right now. All right. Check out the videos that are on your screen right now, and I will talk to you in the next video.